I could see a pointy thing. What is
Great.
called?
Okay, so now let us see more about this lesson, what this lesson is about. Okay. Hope everybody is on the same page. Huh? Okay. So now it's always the same. This woman is weaving a basket and she's saying it's always the same. Rush, rush, rush to get anything done before the sun goes down. Rush, rush, rush means quickly, quickly do before the sun goes down. And the second woman also is weaving. She says, we can't keep up with our work. I'm only halfway through weaving this mat. And now I can't see it to finish it. I keep making mistakes. Children, suppose there is no proper light. Can we work in a proper manner?
No, ma'am.
So we will do lot of mistakes, right? So this woman too was making lot of mistakes. Okay, we can see these women. Yeah. Okay. Now, women 3. We'll have to eat in darkness again. Woman 4. That's right. We can't even see our food. Child 3 to the friend. Okay. At least I can leave my vegetables and my mom won't know. Okay. So this little baby, this little child is saying he is happy that there is darkness because that child did not like vegetables. Okay. And the mother used to make him to eat vegetables. So he's saying, I can leave the vegetables and my mom won't know. That's a bad thing to do. But, that's what the child says. Now, woman 3. Standing up, moving off stage. Come on, everyone. Let's go. Okay. So we need to remember, children, that this play is happening on a stage. Okay. Now, who's an elder? We shall see later on in the lesson. Okay. Now, bring the lights down to signal the end of the day. Bring the lights back up to signal a new day. So now I don't know if you know, children, in the theater there are lights. You know that? So when those lights are brought down, it signals the end of the day. That means to say it is darkness, it is night. And when those lights are put again, what does it signal? It signals a new day. Signal, what is the meaning of signal? It means to give advance information about something. So we know that it is night time because the lights have been put down on the stage. So on the stage you can see only darkness. But when the light is put in the focus, what happens? We know it is a new day. So now we know it's the next day because all these people have gone home according to the play. Okay. Now, man 1. What can we do? Something must be done to make our days longer. We cannot live like this. So now man 1 is saying, but we have to do something about this. We can't live like this, right? Every time the sun is going down so fast. So now the village elder says, who's a village elder? A village elder is a important older person in a community. Okay. Now stepping forward and speaking with authority. So this person is speaking with authority because he's a important older person in their community. So he says, perhaps Maui can help us. Where is he? So there's somebody who could help them, and that person was Maui. Now, man 2. He is in the forest hunting. I'll go and find him. He exits. Okay. Have you understood?
Ma'am, are you talking about the movie Moana?
Yes.
I know movie Moana.
Yes.
That's why I'm saying how does the sun go so fast and everything. Then I remembered it's the movie Moana.
Yeah, but yeah. So now, children, what happens is, as you have already understood, is the story is about the sun. Okay, the sun is gone down too fast, and that is why the children can't play with the stick game, and the adults, they can't do their daily task. Okay, their daily work, as we can see in the picture. Okay, now let's have a look at the comprehension questions. Okay. What are the characters in the play complaining about? Can you tell me?
Ma'am,
What,
Amara,
ma'am?
you told us many homeworks. I don't see it on the Google Classroom. Can you please send?
Homeworks?
Yes, ma'am. You told that one also. It's about that this sixth question only.
Why can't you see?
No, ma'am, I cannot see. I can only see that Ruby red fruit book.
You tell us so many homeworks. You put in the Google Classroom, but we cannot see the homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just check that.
Yes, ma'am. I also can't see. Me also. Can you do? You
Why
can
can't
do
you
like-
see?
You can.
This is weird.
You can put again. You can put again.
Ma'am, you can put again on
Yes,
Google
I also
Classroom.
can't see.
Mhm.
Everybody can see.
Okay, so maybe my bad. Okay, maybe I didn't this.
Ma'am,
You can put again.
Okay, no worries, children.
Okay,
No worries.
I will not get it. I'll just send it again. Then you send again. Okay. Ma'am Khadija, I did the homework. I did the homework, ma'am Khadija.
Okay, no worries, children. No worries. I will just. Okay. Actually, the thing is, there are just those few grammar exercises that you have to do. Okay, simple grammar exercises. You can complete them. Okay, and also you can complete this comprehension answers. All right. Okay. So now, what are the characters in the play complaining about?
The children and the women.
Yeah. What are they complaining? What had gone down?
The sun.
The sun has gone down, so
Wow.
they were really angry.
Very good.
So they were really
Ma'am,
angry.
can I
Like,
tell
why
in sentence?
always the sun goes down and we can't do our
Excellent.
tasks. and
Yeah.
everything.
Correct. And what are
Can
the
I
children
tell in
playing with?
sentence? Ma'am, can I tell in sentence?
Singing.
Yeah, correct. They are playing with sticks. Yes, Amara, you want to say the sentence? You can say.
The woman and the child is getting angry again and again because the sun is going down fast and the children is playing with sticks.
Very
Ma'am.
good. Yes.
First I thought that you said sun, right? So I thought some father's son is going down.
Oh, no. It's the sun. S-U-N, sun.
Then I understood because then I saw.
Okay. No worries. Okay. Where does man 2 say that he is going to look for Maui? Yes, Zainab.
In the forest.
In the forest. Very good. What kind of food does child 3 dislike?
Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Kind of happy because that he could leave his the vegetables.
Yes, vegetables. Okay. Now, why does woman 2 keep making mistakes in her weaving?
Because the sun went down. Because sun goes down, and so she can't see in the dark.
Always.
So
Yeah.
that's why they cannot do properly.
Yeah, correct. Now, how does the actor playing woman 3 know when to leave the stage?
Because of the light.
Very good, Lucia Sayed.
When the lights go
Excellent.
off, the women can go, and when the lights come on, they can come back.
Yeah, correct. How are the theater lights used to show the end of the day?
Like
Dark.
Very good. The theater lights are put.
They force a
down.
light.
Yeah, correct. They are put down. So we know it's the end of the day. Now the village elder speaks with authority. What do you think this means?
Authority.
With authority. What does it mean?
Speaks with authority. What do you think this means?
When-
he speaks.
What is the meaning of authority? Do we know?
No.
Does anybody know what is the meaning of authority?
Power.
Yeah, it means power. So this man, he has a power, okay, some kind of importance in the community. Okay, so what does it tell us? What do you think it means?
It means power. The village elder has power. Village elder speaks with the authority. What
Do you think people will obey and respect him?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it means that because he has authority, he has confidence, and having that confidence, people will obey and respect him. Okay, very good. Yeah. All right. Now let's see. Play scripts from different cultures continued. Maui catches the sun. Okay, now the village elder. Slowly and thoughtfully. If anyone can come up with an idea, Maui can. He has achieved many great things that seemed impossible. Okay, now the village elder says, calling Maui over to him. Ah, Maui, can you help us? What can we do to lengthen our days? They are too short and the nights are too long. It's so frustrating for all of us. Okay, now let's see what Maui says. Maui says, you are right. It is frustrating for me too. Just last night, I was out fishing in the canoe. I had a big bite. I started to haul in and it was a whooper. He shows exaggerated size with arm movements. I was just taking it off the hook when the sun went down. Narrator. Maui called his brothers together and told them of his plan. They would travel to the edge of the world to catch the sun in a snare made of flax ropes. Okay, so now I'll explain to you what happened. So now this village elder, yes,
Where is Maui?
Maui is over here. This one, who's pulling the sun.
Why they can pull the sun? We cannot.
They are pulling the sun, they're catching it so that, it will remain in the
But
Sky.
we cannot catch.
So basically, they're catching the sun and they're like kind of like, holding it or pulling it so that it remains in its place and it doesn't go down. Okay,
And in real, we cannot catch the sun.
exactly. That's why it's a
And
legend.
the sun is so high.
It's
how
not
they
a true story. Okay.
Yes, the sun is so high and
Yeah.
how can they catch the sun?
Exactly. Okay. So now what happens is this village elder, he calls Maui and Maui says, yes, yesterday when I was fishing in the canoe, I had a big bite. What is the meaning of having a big bite?
He had a big bite of a fish.
Yeah, he had a big bite of the fish.
Yes.
What does it mean?
That means
A big fish bit him?
bite. He takes a bite because he's really hungry.
Okay. So when it says here, I had a big bite, it means he had a big catch of fish. Okay, a big fish, a big catch he had in his hand. I started to haul it, and it was a whooper. So he started to like kind of pull it, okay, and it was like a very big fish. Okay, that's why he does now exaggerates. It was not so big, but he just exaggerates with his hands, with his arms, like this. He's like such a big fish, I found. Okay. Now they've all planned that they would go to the edge of the world and they would catch the sun, okay, in a snare made from flax rope. So this is what they wanted to do. Now, us, what is the meaning of exaggerated, children?
I'm so tired now already.
What is the meaning of exaggerated?
Ma'am, I don't know the meaning of exaggerated.
Anybody knows the meaning of exaggerated?
Exaggerated means like we're so tired.
Ma'am, too much.
Yeah, it's like exaggerating. It's like, it's like I have a purple pen, but I'm saying no, it's a blue pen. Look, it's a nice blue pen. It writes very fast. Actually, my pen is drying. It's not writing properly. But I'm saying no, it is writing very fast and it is a very good, it gives you good handwriting, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So I'm exaggerating. All right. Frustrating. What is the meaning of frustrating?
Oh, why is the sun going down and why is
Yeah, like I'm like just so frustrated. Like I'm like fed up of what's happening. Okay.
this is another word stress.
What is the meaning of kano? What is the meaning of kano?
Kano. It's so funny.
Ma'am, canoe is
Another word?
What's the meaning of kano?
a boat.
Kano is a boat. What is the meaning of a snare?
What?
Snare. What is the meaning of snare?
Snare means something like snare.
What is the meaning of snare?
When we sneeze, the snare comes out. Kind of rhyme. Oh,
What is it?
nothing.
Snare in simple words means a trap. So they wanted to trap the sun.
Okay, means like they want to pull the sun down. So they can
Not
work
pull the sun. Yeah, like basically they wanted to trap it with the ropes.
No, they can work nicely.
Yeah, so that they can work nicely. Just imagine, no? That's so funny.
Ma'am,
Okay.
the sun is so hot that it can just burn this whole rope.
What rope? It can burn them also.
Yes.
Haul means, what is the meaning of haul? Haul the net.
Hall means the sun. Drawing room.
Haul means to pull.
Yeah.
Pull the rope. Pull the rope.
Yeah.
Pull the rope.
Yes. And whooper. What is the meaning of whooper?
Whooper.
It's like what you call.
It's a fish.
No.
It's so big.
Yeah, it's so big. It's so huge. Okay, great. So we have understood all this. Okay. Yeah. So now let's see the answers. Okay. The village elder thinks Maui is wise. Is it true or false?
True.
Maui wishes the days were longer.
True.
Maui was fishing from the shore.
True.
Maui decides to travel to the edge of the world.
True.
Okay. Why does the village elder think that Maui will be able to help?
The world one. Because she has ideas.
Yes, very good. He has ideas and he has achieved great things that seemed impossible. Okay. Maui had achieved great things which seemed impossible. Okay. Now Maui says he had a big bite when he was fishing. What do you think it means? Very good. He caught a big fish. Do you think the fish that Maui nearly caught was as big as he showed in his arms?
No.
What is the word? What is the word, children?
Exaggerating.
Excellent. It is this word. Okay.
False.
Great. Excellent. Lovely. Beautiful. Amazing. You'll remember the answers. Okay. So, children, now for your homework, what are you all going to do? Do you all know?
Nothing.
We want to do this
Google Classroom.
Yeah. So, next class, we are going to do grammar. Okay. And then we shall see what else we can publish. Okay. As I was saying, children, we are going to see flax. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention this. Flax means a plant from which linen is made. Okay, like a material is made, cloth material is made. And narrator is a person who comments on the action of a play. Okay, so for example, I am reading the lesson, right? So I am a narrator. So whatever is there in bracket, whatever's extra there to be said besides what the characters are saying, that the narrator says. All right. So what are we going to do for homework? Children, listen, everybody. What are we going to do for homework? Okay, children, I want you to be studying in your holidays also. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So what are we going to do for our homework, children? I have already explained to you all of this. Okay, there are just few activities which we have to do over here. Not much. Okay. We have to do.
Please send on Google Classroom.
Yes, do the suffix and then do the suffix ka other activity, then singular, plural. Very few activity, children don't have to write lots. Apostrophes, you have to do this activity. Then you have to write a letter. Okay, that you can do it next week for me. You can leave this activity. Okay, and then the answers we are going to write of this lesson. Sharing cultures. Okay, so you're going to do this activity.
I was asking of that question and answers only.
Yes, so this question answers you're going to do, and you're going to do this, and you're going, they're all one liner answers, children, very easy answers, and you're going to do this. Okay, is it too much, children? Is it too much? It's
Yes.
What did you do?
Yes. Was in the. It is
Sorry?
too much. It is too much. Too much.
No, the thing is, when you look at the activities, it looks too much, but actually it's just one line answers. And how many days you have? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
Only
How
one
many
week.
days?
We have 1 week and that's a lot of time, so we're gonna finish it.
Yeah, so in a day you can just do like 2 answers, 3 answers, 4 answers, and finish that. Okay? Did you like the lesson, children?
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, tomorrow.
Honestly, can you really catch the sun?
But it was all about the story. Oh.
No.
Because sun is so high that we can take a CD also, so we cannot go.
That's yes. Darling, we don't say CD. What is the English word for CD?
Ladder. Stairs.
Bushra, Rizwani, darling, what's the word for CD? No CD in my class, please. I will die of a shock if you say CD.
It's a desk, ma'am. Ma'am, if we go even close to the sun, will burn.
Yes, we will burn.
Mini class.
Burn what, Zainab? We will disappear. We will melt.
I will become more powder, black powder we can.
Ma'am, if we will take rope also, so we will put on a sun also, then we will pull the rope. The rope will be full melt because sun is so hot that
No, we will become molten lava.
Yeah, we will become molten lava. True.
only melt in the rope.
Yeah.
Melted and we will be melted also.
Amir, did you like the story?
I like the story. I was like, okay, let's just listen. I had a blanket over the.
Why does Amir not speak in my class, children? I don't know.
No reason for.
I don't know also. I don't know also.
Don't talk with us. Yeah, he doesn't even talk. He doesn't even talk with us at Friday. I mean at Saturday football. At Wednesday football, he never talks.
Ah, no. Tomorrow we are going to meet again. I just forgot.
What?
Tomorrow we are going to meet again.
Are you coming into football? No, not football.
Tomorrow we have class. Yeah.
Today's Friday, then.
Yeah.
Meeting at the football.
Actually, never know. Someday I may just come and surprise you all, you know. Yes. Because all of you are so dear to my heart. All of you. I just love all of you so much.
Sector 19, building Kalpatru, roll number.
Say welcome. Okay. Thank you.
Sector number 21. And on.
I really wonder how tall are you? Maybe some of you may be my height because I'm not very tall, you know, I'm short. So some of you may be like almost my height, I don't know.
No, you are small. I must be.
Look at Muslim and his one, she's saying, no, we are small. That's so cute. You know what? I can, you know, I mean, see, honestly, to tell you something, you know, every day is so stressful. Okay, I mean, there are so many things in life that you know make you stressed out. But when I meet y'all, I forget everything, and I become so happy when I'm with y'all because you'll always, you know, make me happy, make me feel proud. So you know, I as a teacher also feel very encouraged.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Ian, what are you doing over there, darling? Are you giving a speech? We were supposed to give the speech yesterday. Today, come back.
How's our
Small box.
Ian, you want to give a speech on something today?
yes?
Of course. Okay, give me a speech on something. You have 2 minutes. Come on. Huh?
Ma'am, say yes. Yes.
Musfira Sayyad, excuse me.
Can I also give a speech? Go out. Can I also give a speech?
Okay, I was thinking, children, in tomorrow's class, you know, I want to make tomorrow's class very interesting. I'll think over it, okay? I'll think over it. What I'm going to teach you.
Activity. Interesting. We're
Some
gonna have some
fun activity I'm going to teach you tomorrow.
And tomorrow's public speaking activity time, okay?
Yes.
Y'all don't want public speaking tomorrow.
We want public speaking activity time.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Table na. So like you can
Okay, my dear children, I love you all and take care and be good and
Yes. 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 And see Usman also saying yes. Yes.
yes, bye Usman. See you.
Bye.
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 Bye.